Hello everyone, welcome to my page. For today's video, I would like to talk about how we can have one page at the middle of a document with a different layout. For example, in the document that I have open in front of me, as you can see here, all the three pages are having the same layout, which is a portrait basically here. What I want to have though is to have one page, for example, let's say the middle page with the landscape layout. Now, one reason that I may want this is because I want to paste a photo here and I decide that this size is not what I want. I want it to be big and nice. So if I click here somewhere on this page and I go to the layout menu, I click on this tiny triangle at the bottom right and let's see what's happening. I can select the landscape and then I need to tell the software where to apply it to. So I open this and apparently this section is what I want. So let's see what is going to happen. Boom. It applied it to all the pages from here onward. Now technically I could go back and fix it, but let me Control Z this and do it an easier way. So if I click on the photo or I select any text within this page basically. Now I can select, here I'm going to select the photo. And then I go to the layout menu and instead of this triangle, I go to the margins and I go to custom margins at the very bottom. Then I can again select the landscape, but this time I get this option, which is selected text. Now let's see what is going to happen. Boom, this is what I wanted. Now I have one page with the landscape layout, but what also happened is that look at the header. This is not the way that I want it to be. Now in order to fix this, I'm going to bring the mouse here on the header. I'm going to right click on it and go edit header. Let's look at the top here. The reason this size is the size as this one and this one is because I have this link to previous. So if I unlink it, there we go. Now this is a nice header that I want from here to here. And I also need to repeat this for the footer as well. So I go to footer and well, this is already unlinked, but if it was linked, I would unclick this. Now I'm going to press the escape button on the keyboard to go to the normal condition. There we go. Again, this page is looking good. This page is looking good as well. But let's see what is happening here. This header is not the same as this one. So again, I need to repeat this process of editing the header once for this one and once for anything afterwards. And actually once, right? So I click on this one. I go edit header again. And as you can see, this is linked to this one. So I unlink it. I go to footer. This footer is linked to this one, which is not what I want. So I unlink this as well. And I press the escape button on the keyboard, which is located on the top left of pretty much any keyboard that I've seen. There we go. Now I have one page at the middle with the landscape orientation. The header is looking good. The footer is looking good. This page has the good footer and header, and so has this one and anything that comes afterwards. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to the channel. I try to make as many useful videos as I can. Thank you so much and have a good day.